In today's video, I'm so excited because we're going to be unboxing these Barbie mystery blind bags. I'm so excited. These are the fruit series, and there's been a sport series, like kind of, and a unicorn one. I've only opened the unicorn one, and I haven't opened this one. I've opened all of them, so I'm so excited to open this one. These were 94 cents in Walmart. That's a great deal. So let's get started. And if you're wondering what's my name is Desiree. Welcome back. And if you're new, don't forget to stick around and subscribe and turn on those post notification bells so you'll be notified all the time I upload a new video. So now, let's get started. I'm first, and I have Barbie here to help me unbox today's blind bag. Well, she's not gonna help me, but she's so excited. So let's get started. So I'm opening up this one. This is a closer look, and this is the back, and this is a 3+. So if you have, this is not for children under 3 years old. It's for 3 and up, so let's get started. You can get either a purse, sunglasses, a necklace, or a t-shirt. So I really want a purse. I think this is going to be a purse. I haven't opened it. I'm not cheating if it is. So excited. Let's open it up. What is inside? It's a purse. Oh my gosh. Look at these sunglasses. They're so nice. They're clear purple. And then there's also this purse. It says very cute. I don't know if you can see. Very cute. And then it says very cute. It's so cute. And these sunglasses to match with it. Super cute. And let's open the second one. So I'm so excited. I think this is going to be a purse too. This is really big, guys. This is really heavy. And plus this one's not heavy at all. So I'm excited. I'm loving these things. Oh my gosh, I'm loving these stuff. No way! Oh my gosh! It's so pretty! Look! Summer vibes! It's so nice! This is so heavy! This was 94 cents, guys! At Walmart! It's so nice for 94 cents. I'm definitely going back and get more of these. Oh my gosh, I love them. Now let's try them on Barbie. So first let's try the sunglasses that we have right here. Let's get the packaging out of the way. And it also comes with like a little notebook. This one didn't come with this one, as you can see. It didn't come with this paper right here, but the other one did. I don't know what it is. It's just kind of like, you know, oh, it's a checklist. I didn't know it was, though. So there's that one that I got, and then there's that one. That also has supposed to come with the, oh my gosh, it's supposed to come with the, and it does come, and this one supposed to come with a bracelet, because I look right here, and it did actually come with a bracelet, super small though. So you can get those too, and you can get the orange one. You can get that one. Let me go right here. You can get the orange one, that one, that one. Ooh, I like the backpack. I think that's the, yeah, and then the t-shirts. They're so cute. Well, let's try them on Barbie. Let's see if they're perfect. I think they're, Barbie is super excited because she's gonna try them on. Okay, now let's try them on her. I'm gonna put her. Here is the summer vibes. Pretty cute. It's like clear. I think it has some sparkles. I don't know, but it's so nice, and it even matches her outfit. Ew, it looks so cute. Okay, now let's put it in there, and now let's try on the sunglasses. Let me try them on, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna try them on her and see how they look. Oh, they look so cute. Look at him. Look at him. So cute. I love them. I love the sunglasses. And now let's try the little purse. This purse. The very sweet. Very cute. I'm so excited to try it on this Barbie. So let's see. Oh, it looks so nice. Look at that. Wait, I'm just gonna stand her so you can see better. Looks cute. And now let's try on the little bracelet. See if she doesn't fall, because I'm holding the camera. Let me see it. There. Okay. There. I am so excited. So there it is. It looks so nice. And there they are. The really cool, and I really want to collect these. So I'm gonna show you more. I am totally gonna go to Walmart and show you a little haul that I'm gonna get. So I love you guys. I love you guys. Bye guys. Peace. I love you guys. Bye guys. Don't forget to be yourself. Peace.